Hello Pisces, this is monthly reading for the month of June. So any secret message from your partner side? So let's check out for my beautiful Pisces. So let's see any secret message for my beautiful Pisces for the month of June. So we have a 9 of Pentacle reverse. So let me talk it later. Let me take first all the cards. Any secret message from their side? 4 of Swords, Empress, King of Cups, Lovers card. You really have a beautiful cards here. I'm not taking that much, just one more card. Okay, this card I already see before, so this really want to pop out. And the 9 of Wands. So first of all, I do want to take it upright, right? Because they have the Empress card. So for some, this card is like reverse. So this is like meaning your partner is very much in a single state, and if not, then they do want to work upon themselves so that they become this confident personality who is financially secure and who is very confident, who is single, and who know how to take care of them. They don't want to be any sort of a obsessive behavior or nature. They do not want to be like that, right? So they really want to be a individual personality who is strong, who is very beautiful, charming. So this person is like working upon their financial gains, and they also know how to take care of themselves. If they are not in this kind of energy, then this is like reverse, then they try to become like this personality, right? Next card is like 4 of Swords. So this person is taking some rest, rejuvenating their energy. This person, if any issues or any pain from the past, this person do try to heal their own the pain, all the pain. And this person is like taking their resting time period for themselves so that they work upon themselves, right? And the Empress card, they do see you as a perfect partner, so that they, because you inspire this person in some sort of a way. Empress is a combination of all the 4 queens. You are very much individual personality, you are very perfect, you are very caring, nurturing, combination of all the 4 queens, confident, sitting on your throne, strong willpower, stable, loyal, beautiful, gorgeous. So you are like this personality, so they do want to become your match. So that's why they are taking some time to become like a equal match for you. And the next card is King of Cups. This person is like that, who is not that much good in expressing their emotions. Yes, this person have a lot of love and emotions for you, no doubt in that thing, but this person is like holding back because this person know how to control their emotions. Very strong personality, so they know how to control their emotions. Lovers card and the 6 of Cups. So this, both these cards representing that this is something soulful connection that you are in. Whoever you currently dealing with, that is your soulmate from the past life. You already know this person, you both spend some good memories together. This is the divine love, your counterpart, whatever you want to call it. So yes, there is a love that is present between both of you. There is a blessings from the angels, divines, protection upon your relationship, and you both share some good time and memories, right? And this is something connected, soulful connected. And the 9 of Wands again representing that this person do want to fight for this connection, no matter how much struggles you both are going through. So this is like they want to fight for this connection. And the bottom of the deck, we have the 6 of Wands. So this person do want a victory with you. They do want to recognized by you because you are like this beautiful personality. So they do want to be recognized by you, that they are also like a something special or something. So they do want this sort of a victory with you, because you are like a trophy for your person. They also want to become that kind of a beautiful personality for you. So let's see any love message from your partner. Okay, so we have two cards here. Denial. I keep telling myself it's not over. So if for some cases, if you both are apart, so this person is like there is hard to believe that you both are now not in connection. They don't believe ever. And for the others, this is like this person never believed that you both are apart or in a separation in any sort of a way. This person is like have a lot of fears of thinking about the separation with you. That is the message, because they really feel something strong soulful connection with you, right? Something really soulful. So they are strongly attached with you that they even do not able to think to separate from you. Clarity, eternally yours. So they are getting some sort of a clarity that they are eternally yours. So some sort of a really soulful connection that this person do feel. Any angels guidance for your connection? Any angels guidance for this connection? Temple path. This is really something spiritual connection that you both are going through. So something really spiritual connection. Again, strongly. Sun, you are the happiness of this person. Sun card, clarity. Again, this person getting the clarity that this is something soulful and you are the happiness of this person. And the last advice for my viewers from the angels, from the divine, just one card. Okay, so we have I share my light with the world. So you have enough inside light to share with the world. You have a lot of inner pure light. You are very pure soul, and the pure light that you have, the lot of happiness and the joy that you have inside you. You also share that light and love and the happiness with the world. That will also help the world to raise their vibration, right? So this is your reading. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.